Hi, friends. I want you to think about what you learned in the video. Below is a worksheet that discusses how you feel. So I'd like you to write, I feel happy when, and tell me about a time that made you feel happy. The next one says, I feel angry when. Maybe you could write when you get angry. The next one says, I feel super excited when. I get super excited when I get a new pair of shoes. The next one says, I feel sad when. I feel sad when I lose things like my keys to my car. The next question says, I feel surprised when I get a fancy new toy. And the last one says, I feel scared when I see a snake. That's when I get scared. So, right? For each response, what makes you feel? And then talk about it with your family about how you feel.